Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, overall trend of the crude you have seen after pandemic is continuously on the upside. Okay, and what you have seen in the fear of recession, that there is a continuous downfall in the price of crude. Okay, and there is a pattern forming that you have to understand clearly, because whenever it hits its previous high, if you look at this particular trend after 2020, after negative, what it did, it tries to move upside and was in this zone for a period of time. As soon as it goes upside, we have seen it has made a second high. Okay, this is the first high, second high, and after that crossed third time, fourth time, fifth time, as you can see. But what is the thing that you have to observe here is that it makes a sharp fall. If you look at this particular trend, okay, after that what it did, it made a swing. You can see, looking at this particular chart, a swing is formed. Okay, and after this swing it goes upside and makes a new high. This is the high which we have, what we can see coming at $128.67. After that there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall we have not seen a swing is forming at this particular level. If this level sustain, or if it sustain above this particular zone, chances can be high, because there is high chances a swing will form, because and in all these ranges we have seen a swing is forming. That is where it tries to move upside. Suppose it form a swing and tries to move upside and sustain above a level of $97.48, chances can be high it can go further upside. Before we move forward and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the range where the price of crude is moving since November of 2022. Okay, this is an important thing that you have to note, because whenever, and I have explained you that whenever a range break upside or downside, chances of are very high that once it moves upside, probability that it can go further high, but if it breaks downside, probability is there that it can go further down. Suppose if the price sustain this particular zone, chance less, because it is moving in a particular zone. Till the time it is not crossing this particular zone, we cannot say that it will make a sharp upside or downside movement. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular zone, as we can see that there is a red candle forming, so chances are high that it can go further down. Okay, but it will be in this particular zone till the time it is not breaking. Okay, but suppose if this support sustain, so chances are high we can see a next resistance coming at around $78.49, and if that level move further upside, then we can see it can cross a level of $79.98 and can go towards a level of around 80.72 and cross this particular zone, because that is also a weak resistance. Chances are high we can see a level of 84 it can touch, because this is the level which is already a weak resistance. So chances are very high it can cross a level of around 82.96 and can touch a level of around 84. Okay, and once it sustain above 84, because this is the range high, so once it sustain above 84, then we can see it can touch a level of around $87, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around $90.05. Keep this in mind once it sustain above $87, because as I have already explained you that 85.58 is a strong resistance as of now. Once the price sustain above this level, this will act as a strong support. So if the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside, which is on a higher chances, because okay, so probability is high. After 85.58 we can see a level of 87, and from there we can see a level of $90.6. Once it goes above that particular zone, then we can see it can touch a level of around $92.29, and it can cross a level of $93.78, which is a weak resistance. So chances are high we can see a level of 98.26. Okay, and once the price sustain above 98.26, then we can see it can go further upside, because this pattern will create, a same pattern will create as we have seen in this particular zones. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, you can say a trend is downside, but it is quite volatile. Okay, so one strategy that you can follow when the market is very volatile, that you can increase your SL and target. Why? And reduce your quantity to half. What is the benefit? That suppose if the market is moving in such a volatile range, so it will not hit your SL, rather the probability of hitting your target will be on a more side. Because suppose if you are in $3 profit, $4 profit, you can trail your SL. Okay, that is the more beneficial thing if you could reduce the quantity to half in a volatile range. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular zone, chances are high that it can go further down towards its next support coming at around $75.13. Okay, and if the price move below that particular zone, it can cross a level of around $73.27, which is a weak support. So chances are high it can cross this particular zone and can touch a level of $71.40, and this is again a weak support. So chances are high we can see it can touch a level of around $68.04. $68.04 is a strong support. So bounce back can come from this particular zone. Okay, but if this 68 move further down, then we can see a level of $66.18 to a level of $63.19. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular zone, then we can see it can fall further low, and a probability that it can go towards a level of $60, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of $57. Okay, now keep this in mind, once it fall below 63, then probability of going further down is there. Understand something, that market is very volatile. Okay, what most of the trader do mistake, that they lose money because they don't know how to play psychologically. Okay, how to trade psychology. What I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is $1,000 to $1,500, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100 per trade. Suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum loss can be $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now this 100 per trade, what is the benefit? That it will not affect your psychology, rather you can focus on profit. You can focusing on this profit will be more beneficial compared to recovering your loss. People do 5,000 3,000 loss in the capital of 10k, and in that process they lose their full capital. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.